are ready. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1, back to reckon for the domestic Demolition Derby. Looks like you might not be able to escape. So we've got 2 left. If the 78 can't get free, he does. He's trying to work his way out. 228 and the 717 will have to contend with the 78. Almost free. Has a hard time turning his wheel. As the 717 and the 228 beat up on each other, that 78 still can't get free.
Because I know that's funny, but it's not fun. There's got the secret on it.
78 looks like he's out. No steering for the 78, red flag comes out. And Donnie Lane will have to climb from the vehicle. And his day will be done. It will be down to the 717 and the 228.
There ain't no way.
So as soon as 3, 2, 1, 2 left. Two left. Oh, and he missed it.
Oh, come on.
717, the whole rear end is gone from the machine. 228 plows into the side. Little fire underneath the 228, but he's good. They got it out. Survival of the fittest. Who's it going to be? 228 or 717?
There you go.
228 pushes 717 into the guardrail, or he turns the wheel. And he turns him all the way around. I think the 228 is doing more damage to its engine than the 717. It's getting damage to the rear end, but it's hanging on. Backs up over the guardrail.
I think he's on fire.
Got a little burn on the side of his pants leg, so we need to get the safety crew over there. Got a little bit of a burn on his leg.
Ooh, goodness.
I got his leg on fire. That's why they say you wear long pants. Remember that guy last year?
717 is the winner. Mason Dunn will get a word with our winner and find out who he is. All right, Mason, make your way over there. We'll get a word with our winner, the 717. Back into that Demolition Derby car, all tore up.
Now, Neal's the one.
What a finish, what a finish, what a finish.
Last year.
Yeah, just when you thought someone had won a barrier. Oh, it's wet.
We're going to find out who the driver is on the 717.
His back's hurting him.
You alright? Let's have some fun.
You only find him.
I didn't have this whole car do it.
Well, Neal, you had a little hope, but you got it. You survived everybody else and got it done. How's it feel being the winner of the final Demolition Derby 2013?
I wish I could do it more often. Come on, do some more up here.
We already announced 2 years, so that means you're down for 2 years.
That sounds good.
All right, so you heard from Neal. He's down for 2 years. He's your domestic derby domestic derby demolition winner here in the final race of 2013 Day Destruction.
Mason, what's his name?
Neal.
Neal, all right. Neal, our winner of the 717 and the Domestic Car Demolition Derby, the final event here at Langley Speedway. Once again, we want to thank you for coming out.